Ready to unleash the power of your Galaxy Tab S10? This device is packed with features that can transform the way you work, create, and play. And at the heart of it all is the S Pen, a tool that offers precision, versatility, and a seamless user experience. Whether you're an artist, a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to stay organized, the S Pen has something to offer you. Meet your new best friend, the S Pen. This isn't just any stylus, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities. With its sleek design and advanced technology, the S Pen is designed to feel natural in your hand, making it easy to use for extended periods. But what really sets it apart are the features it unlocks on your Galaxy Tab S10. First up, Air Command. This feature is like having a toolbox at your fingertips. By simply hovering the S Pen near the screen and pressing its button, you can access a floating menu of tools that make multitasking a breeze. From taking quick notes to capturing screenshots, Air Command puts everything you need right where you need it. Hover the S Pen near the screen and press its button to access a floating menu of tools. This menu includes options like Smart Select, Screen Write, and more, allowing you to perform tasks quickly and efficiently. It's perfect for those moments when you need to jot down an idea or capture something on your screen without interrupting your workflow. Sketch to Image transforms your simple sketches into vibrant images with a touch of Galaxy AI. Imagine being able to draw a rough sketch and then watch as it comes to life with colors and details, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. This feature is a game changer for artists and designers, making it easier than ever to bring your creative visions to life. Perfect for bringing ideas to life effortlessly. Whether you're sketching out a new design, brainstorming ideas, or just doodling for fun, the S Pen makes it easy to capture your creativity. And with the Galaxy Tab S10's powerful hardware and software, you can be sure that your creations will look stunning. Next, S Pen to Text converts your handwriting into text instantly, making note-taking a breeze. This feature is perfect for students and professionals who need to take notes quickly and efficiently. Simply write with the S Pen and watch as your handwriting is converted into digital text in real time. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you stay organized and on top of your tasks. AI-powered Note Assist offers automatic formatting, summarizing, and translations in Samsung Notes. This means that not only can you take notes quickly, but you can also have them formatted and summarized automatically. And if you're working with content in different languages, Note Assist can help with translations, making it easier to collaborate and communicate with others. Boost your productivity with ease. The S Pen and Galaxy Tab S10 are designed to help you get more done in less time. With features like multi-window support, you can run multiple apps side by side, making it easy to multitask and stay productive. And with the S Pen, you can navigate and interact with your apps more efficiently, making your workflow smoother and more intuitive. Smart Select captures screen snippets in various shapes, even creating GIFs. This feature is perfect for capturing and sharing content quickly and easily. Whether you need to capture a portion of your screen for a presentation or create a fun GIF to share with friends, Smart Select makes it simple and straightforward. Air Actions lets you control your tablet remotely with gestures, adding convenience. Imagine being able to control your presentations, media playback, and more with just a wave of your hand. Air Actions make it possible, giving you the freedom to interact with your Galaxy Tab S10 without even touching the screen. It's perfect for presentations, watching videos, or just navigating your tablet from a distance. For artists, AI Drawing generates AI-enhanced versions of your drawings. This feature takes your artwork to the next level by adding details and enhancements that make your drawings look even more impressive. Whether you're a professional artist or just enjoy drawing as a hobby, AI Drawing can help you create stunning pieces with ease. Plus, ScreenWrite and AirView offer quick annotations and content previews. ScreenWrite allows you to capture screenshots and annotate them instantly, making it easy to share your thoughts and ideas. And with AirView, you can preview content by simply hovering the S Pen over the screen, giving you quick access to information without having to open apps or files. Customize your S Pen in settings to suit your workflow. The S Pen settings allow you to adjust the button functions, sensitivity, and more, making it easy to tailor the S Pen to your specific needs. Whether you prefer a lighter touch or need to adjust the button functions for different tasks, the S Pen settings give you the flexibility to create a personalized experience. Explore the S Pen settings to fine-tune your experience. Take some time to explore the different options and settings available for the S Pen. You might discover new features and functions that can help you work more efficiently and creatively. The more you customize and experiment, the more you'll get out of your Galaxy Tab S10 and S Pen. In summary, the S Pen on your Galaxy Tab S10, brimming with AI features, is your key to productivity and creativity. From taking notes and drawing to controlling your tablet remotely and capturing content, the S Pen offers a wide range of features that can enhance your experience and help you get the most out of your device. Master these functionalities and unlock your tablet's full potential. With a little practice and exploration, you'll be able to take full advantage of everything the S Pen and Galaxy Tab S10 have to offer. So go ahead, dive in, and start mastering the S Pen today. Your Galaxy Tab S10 is ready to help you achieve your goals and unleash your creativity.